Here's the snowstorm. Wendy's out there with Riker. Eh. We got about 18 inches right now. Pretty crazy. See if we can get Sadie in the shot. She's up to her chest in snow. Look at Sadie. Sadie, you like the snow? Riker, did you like the snow? Is it too much snow?
No.
Is it too cold?
Yeah.
Say no snow.
No.
Riker's done with the snow. Sadie, did you have a good time? Sadie liked the snow. Did Mom like the snow, Riker?
Yeah.
Did she do pretty good?
Yeah.
This is nuts. It's not stopping. Hey Riker, you're all bundled up. You want to go back out in the snow?
No.
Say no way, Jose. There's too much snow.